This is Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and I am Lasana Singh. Today we will be making some carrot cake, a bold carrot cake. Look at that, so moist. Oh man, this tastes so good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my, oh my, no, 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 no. Oh, this tastes so good, man. Oh gosh. If you're looking for that carrot cake that is crumbly moist and bold in spice, this is for you. Stay tuned. So these are the ingredients. Remember, they are listed below in the description box. When it comes to our carrot, we want the smallest size as possible. You can use the grater using the smallest side and get them fine, because we want light and fine carrots that do not weigh your cake down. For the dry ingredients, we have cake flour, a little salt, some baking powder, some cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg. A bold carrot cake needs a lot of spices because that's why it's bold. Alright, so we're gonna sift all our ingredients so we eliminate any flour pockets and also we get some air into that flour. Let's go ahead and flour our raisins that they do not sink all the way to the bottom. We grease our pan as well and we add a little flour. This helps to get the cake out when it's finished baking. Now let's start by creaming our sugar and our butter. And of course we're working with our wet ingredients. Now you can scrape down the bowl every now and again. But instead of only using oil, I love to use a little butter to get that buttery taste. Oil is a key ingredient in making carrot cake moist, and we add our oil just a little bit at a time. Alright, so right now we're going to just put our grated ginger into our buttermilk, some vanilla, you know what I mean, the good stuff, bold flavors, bold spices, and also I'll be adding some ginger extract, so grated ginger plus ginger extract, you know what I mean, and I'm adding just some lemon juice. Don't be afraid of adding too much spices. It's going to be bold and balanced. So we have our dry ingredients and we're going to put in half of that into the wet ingredients, and then we just alternate by adding some of our buttermilk. Prevent over mixing, I just use my spatula and just mixing all of these ingredients. My spatula and my hands are way much slower than using the hand mixer. Some persons, they love to add walnuts or pecans. I'll just be adding some raisins. I cannot get hold of walnuts and I do not want to use peanut. Peanut kind of tastes weird when it's baked in it. So we're gonna bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 12 minutes. You can use a knife or a toothpick to check when it's done. When it comes to cream cheese frosting, you can check out that link right there and it takes you right to my tutorial of how to make that delicious tangy cream cheese frosting. I decorate my carrots and I gotta go in and get a bite right now. I cannot wait. hot up my sickie. What? This tastes good for real, you know? For real, this tastes good.